Hello guys, welcome to TradeView. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like my videos. So I am posting post-market and pre-market videos regularly. You can follow me and analyze on your own methodologies. Okay, follow my levels and analyze on your own thinking. If it is right, then go ahead. Okay, don't blindly hear anyone's calls or levels. Okay. So already we have posted the post-market report of Bank Nifty today. Please watch it and come back here. So this is for a pre-market for Bank Nifty for Monday. Okay, like 27th Monday. So Monday will be like hopefully not that much trending day. It will be like a sideways only maximum. But we'll see. Anything can happen. We'll see. But maximum will be on sideways day only. Okay. So this is the levels for Monday. Okay, so in this blue levels 40024. Okay, so this red level it is not broken yesterday, right? For long position, so we have to expect this on Monday. Okay, uh, if it is like retracement here. Okay, sorry, I'm showing here. Okay, if it's taken retracement, then we can go for long. Okay, like this. Hmm? But 50 percentage after 50 percentage itself, please trailing your stop loss because market if it is on sideways, it won't go that much long. Okay, so trailing your stop loss after 50% itself. Okay, so for short position here, okay, it is not broken today, right? We have expected this one, the support level. Once broken only, it will go for short, right? So it does not happen today. So we can expect on Monday if it is broken, then we can go like here. Where it is, see this one, this previous day low is there, right? Previous day low, we have to, it need to be break this previous day low on Monday. Once broken, and we need to check whether it after retracement will go from here up to this one, 39,595. You can trailing stop loss or book the profit because market can reverse from here. Okay, we can expect once it's break this level also, then we can go for further short. Okay, or else you can book the profit or trailing your stop loss. Okay, after this previous day low break broken. Okay, this is for short position. So that's it for long position. As I said, this is the one which I discussed yesterday. Same thing we can expect on Monday if it is go, but if it is on sideways, we cannot able to do trading. Only we can scalp some resistance and support levels. That's it. Okay, for short position, this is after previous day low only we need to go for short positions. Okay, so this is a scenario for Monday. Analyze on your own charts and own strategies. Okay, and then take trade. And further, if you need any other topics or any other suggestions, let me know on comments. Okay, and let me know how this levels has been working on your trading journey. Is it working fine, or is it any other difficulties for you? So I can able to explain if possible. Okay, so that's it, guys. uh, and always check the Nifty because I am posted today in the Telegram also in other groups, like Nifty in the strong support, correct? So we have to wait for the breakdown from that support level, correct? I will show the Nifty just a minute. See this one, okay? It's taken properly support from here, correct? That's what I'm explaining. Once it's broken, only we can go for short. Seems it is not broken, okay? So always follow this Nifty or Bank Nifty. When whatever you are trading, please compare the both. Okay, then only we can able to trade with the confidence. Okay, otherwise we stuck up with this kind of volatility or this kind of stop loss hitting things. Okay, so that's it, guys. So always I'm suggesting and advising you trade with stop loss. Okay, loss loss need to be very small. Okay, and profit will be high. That is the concept. Play accordingly, learn it, and then trade it. Okay, don't enter with someone's levels or someone's calls. Okay, analyze it and go ahead further. Okay, if you need any other supports or advice, let me know. I will cover it by this weekend. Okay, so that's it, guys. See you on Monday, or if any other things, I will let you know by on next video. Thank you. Take care.